Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Penemay Dashcam front and rear 4K Wi-Fi, 3-inch dash camera for cars with 1080p rear camera, dual dashcam included 64GB micro SD card. Dashboard camera with night vision, parking monitor, motion detection. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 4K front plus 1080p rear dual dash cam. This dash cam front and rear equipped with rear 4K resolution front camera and 1080p waterproof rear camera. The front camera captures the license plates and road signs clearly even at night, thus ensuring to get you the best footage. Dual dashcam recording all while driving on the road, nothing will be missing in the footage. Built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect the dash camera to our customized app through built-in Wi-Fi. This dual dash camera for cars easy to preview and download the video, change settings of the camera. After Wi-Fi connecting, just use your smartphone to view playback video on the dash cam, download or share videos easily. Super Night Vision. This dual dash cam's both front and rear camera is loaded with super high quality Sony sensor which has better night vision than any other sensors, which make it easy to handle any difficult lighting conditions. Car camera could read car license clearly at night. Parking mode. The dash cams automatically powers on and starts recording as soon as impact is detected, thus providing you a video evidence if your car is scratched by someone in parking. If you need 7x 24 hours parking monitor, please buy an extra hardwire kit to install the dash cam. App control. Use the exclusive app, on App Store or Google Play, to view 4K dashboard camera recordings and manage car dash camera settings on your iOS and Android devices with built-in Wi-Fi. You can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and share them on social media easily. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.